Welcome back. In our previous videos, we unboxed the LiveU Solo Pro, explored its features in Know Your LiveU, and walked you through the Solo Portal setup. Now, we're taking things a step further. In this video, we'll show you how to activate LRT, Solo Connect, and Stream Tools, the powerful add-on services that unlock the full potential of your LiveU Solo Pro for rock-solid professional live streaming. All right, let's start with the backbone of all LiveU streaming, LRT, or LiveU Reliable Transport. You might be wondering if LiveU Solo Pro can stream using just a single network. Why is the LiveU LRT, LiveU Reliable Transport service recommended? The answer lies in the very nature of live streaming. Live streaming is a real-time process that demands a stable and consistent internet connection. Even a brief disruption, as short as a second, can result in buffering, lag, or even a complete loss of the live stream. That is where LiveU LRT technology comes in. LRT uses a technique called network bonding, which aggregates multiple network connections, such as cellular and Wi-Fi, into one high-bandwidth virtual pipeline. Instead of relying on a single network, LRT splits the video stream into small packets and sends them across all available networks simultaneously. These packets are then reassembled in real time at the destination, resulting in a seamless, high-quality video stream. This has a powerful advantage. If one network fails or becomes unstable due to congestion, signal interference, or even physical obstructions, the others continue to carry the stream, ensuring uninterrupted transmission. In short, LRT delivers reliability. By bonding multiple connections, it maximizes bandwidth, minimizes the risk of disconnection, and keeps your stream running smoothly, even in the most unpredictable network environments. The subscription is straightforward, $45 per month or $450 per year, and it's the same price no matter where you are in the world. No hidden regional markups, just one flat rate for everyone. Before turning on LRT, let's first look at other services like Solo Connect and Stream Tools, so you can choose what's best for you. Now let's talk about Solo Pro Connect, which was previously called Solo Connect. This service includes everything you get with LRT, plus unlimited data plans for the Solo Connect modems that come in the kit. Solo Pro Connect is available in two bundle options: Solo Pro Connect Duo, a 2-modem bundle kit; Solo Pro Connect Quattro, a 4-modem bundle kit. These kits provide bonded connectivity by combining multiple data connections, giving you stronger and more reliable upload speeds for your live streams. Currently, Solo Pro Connect is offered in two main variants. USA-only version works with both the LiveU Solo and Solo Pro. Worldwide version available in regions such as the EU and Canada, designed specifically for the Solo Pro. If you have a standard LiveU Solo and live in USA, you can have USA-only variant. But if you're a Solo Pro user, you can choose either the USA-only version or the worldwide version, depending on where you plan to stream from. Both Duo and Quattro options include the LRT service in the plan price. Solo Connect is purchased on a per-unit basis and already includes LRT, so you don't need to subscribe separately. If you currently have an LRT subscription, simply upgrade it to Solo Pro Connect instead. You will be credited for any unused time on LRT, and your subscription for LRT converted to the Solo Connect subscription. The Solo Connect kit and data subscription plan need to be purchased separately. Currently, the Solo Connect Duo and Quattro kits are available for $450 and $995 respectively, regardless of region. Quattro kits comes with a belt pack included along with 4 cellular modems. Data plans for Solo Connect USA only version are, for the Duo kit, plans are $295 per month or $2,995 per year. For the Quattro kit, plans are $435 per month or $4,350 per year. Data plans for the Solo Connect Worldwide version, covering USA, EU, and Canada, are as follows. For the Duo kit, plans are $520 per month. For the Quattro kit, plans are $750 per month. Now, let's take a quick look at Stream Tools. We'll be covering it in detail in another video, so here's just a brief overview. Solo Stream Tools is a feature built right into the Solo portal, adding powerful extras to your LiveU Solo Pro unit and your streams. With this all-in-one solution, you can stream high-quality live video from the lightweight wire-free Solo Pro straight into the Stream Tools production toolbox and share it with a wider audience in just a few clicks. When it comes to taking your LiveU Solo experience to the next level, Stream Tools packs in some truly important features. At its core is LRT trademark, LiveU Reliable Transport, delivering the highest video quality and rock-solid reliability from virtually anywhere. Then, there's multi-destination streaming, allowing you to broadcast to up to 3 platforms at once. You can also boost your branding by adding and positioning a custom logo bug. If your stream ever stops, a fallback slate automatically appears to keep viewers informed. And to top it off, you get video preview and audio monitoring right in your browser, with audio playback and a VU meter for real-time level checks. The subscription is simple, $115 per month or $1,150 per year, with a flat rate worldwide. Like Solo Connect, Stream Tools is sold per unit and includes LRT, so you don't need both. If you already have LRT, just upgrade to Stream Tools. Any unused time will be credited, and your subscription will be converted. Now let's see how to activate LRT on your LiveU Solo Pro. First, log into your LiveU Solo portal account. Before we start, make sure your Solo Pro unit is registered, powered on, and connected to the internet. This connection doesn't have to be your usual method. You don't need to use your modems for this step. Any Wi-Fi or LAN connection will work fine. In the LRT section of the dashboard, select Add LRT. Next, choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. You can go with the monthly plan if you prefer flexibility and want to pay as you go, or opt for the yearly plan to enjoy longer-term access with better value over time. Currently, LRT is priced at $45 per month or $450 per year. However, with bundle offers, discounts, or coupons, you might be able to get it for less. Under the Enter Pro Code and License Key option, you can enter a reseller code to get a discount. If you've already purchased the service from a reseller, you can also enter the LRT license key they provided to activate your yearly subscription. After entering the code, click Apply, and then select Next. If you do not have a code, please leave the field blank and just select Next. If you're not using an LRT license key, you'll be asked to enter your payment details, unless you already have a card saved on your account. To go to the payment page, click plus icon on the screen. You will then be taken to your summary checkout page. Please verify the payable amount is correct based on the plan you selected and any discounts applied. After entering all the required information, including your credit card details, click Next. On the summary page, review your details carefully, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Subscribe. You will be automatically taken back to your dashboard and will see an orange banner along the top confirming your purchase or activation of LRT. Please allow up to 1 hour for LRT to activate on your unit. If LRT does not activate after 2 hours, please open a support ticket from your Solo portal to resolve the issue. Now let's see how to activate Solo Connect. On the dashboard, click Activate Solo Connect. Please note, Solo Connect works only in the USA, while Solo Pro Connect works worldwide. First, locate your serial number to activate your modems. You can find your Solo Connect serial number on the back of the dongles included in the kit. It starts with the characters SC and appears on a sticker on your modems or on the Solo Connect box. Please note, this is different from the serial number on your LiveU Solo unit. Once you've entered the serial number of your dongles, you'll be prompted to select a data plan. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and complete the activation process. Need more info or have questions? Scan the code on the screen to learn more. Please note it can take up to 4 business hours for the SIMs to activate, so please plan accordingly. Stream Tools is an optional add-on that unlocks advanced features for your LiveU Solo. Here's how you can activate it. From the Stream Tools section, click Add Stream Tools, select your preferred subscription plan, then under Enter Pro Code and License Key, Enter a reseller code for discounts or an LRT license key if purchased from a reseller. Click Apply, then Next. On the payment info page, click Next to proceed to the summary checkout page. Verify that the payable amount matches your selected plan and reflects any applied discounts. Review your details carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Subscribe. A pop-up will appear confirming that your plan has been successfully subscribed. After activating Stream Tools, you'll see an on-off toggle switch, but you won't be able to turn it on until payment is completed and the activation is processed. Now, to complete payment for Stream Tools, check your email inbox for a message from LiveU with a payment link. Open the email, click the link, and enter your valid payment details. Once the payment is processed, your Stream Tools subscription will be activated in 1 hour and ready to use. From the top left menu of your Solo Portal dashboard, click on Subscriptions. This section will display a detailed list of all the subscription plans linked to your account, including their current status, start and renewal dates, and any pending activations. It's the easiest way to confirm which services, like LRT, Solo Connect, or Stream Tools, are currently active on your LiveU Solo Pro unit. When you subscribe to Stream Tools, LRT is automatically included. On your dashboard, you'll see both services listed as active. And that wraps up our walkthrough on activating LRT, Solo Connect, and Stream Tools for your LiveU Solo Pro. In our next video, we'll take you step by step through going live with your LiveU Solo, and we'll show you how to make the most of LRT for a rock-solid broadcast, no matter where you are. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Want an expert help? Join our WhatsApp group here. It's free, helpful, and full of streaming pros like you.